Oops, I didn't mean to put it there. I've added a new folder in Introduction to Digital Design called the Final Wrap Up. And if you click that, there's the lab documents here, Lab 6 to Lab 10. What you're going to find on these labs is you won't be able to do everything as before. Some of these were talking about designing a circuit and multi-sim. You obviously can't do that because we didn't get into multi-sim. You can do some of this design in the tools we did look at. You're obviously not going to be able to this one doesn't actually have you do any of the circuit with the Elvis. But I recognize you can't do all the different components of each one of these, so do as much as you can for these labs. Here's the drop boxes for them. And then the final project is from Chapter 6. You pick 5 problems and work them. Don't pick any of the ones with the answers in the back. The asterisk indicates this. We got 4 more class periods. This one and Wednesday, of course. And next week we got the one Monday and Wednesday. Everything's due on the 5th. So, was that 9 days from now? So I decided these next class periods to give you time to work on the past projects, get caught up, and so forth. Doing that in all the classes. So if you're behind, I should have the grades caught up in the grade book up through chapter 3 test. Only one person's done chapter 4 test, so that isn't in there yet. So if you're looking at your grade and you need to get that caught up, now's the time to kick into gear. I won't take anything after the 5th. That is the drop dead date for turning in any late work or tests or projects and so forth. Any questions on that?
No.
Okay.
So I'm still doing something wrong.
Oh. And on this, be sure to apply your time where it's most appropriate. So if you're behind score-wise, I think the final project's worth 10% of your grade, and these labs are worth 30%. So you might find that doing labs will throw you up higher than doing this on a particular final project. Let's see.